trail that we are doing today is known as Mill Creek Angeles Oaks Bypass OHV route. It is right off the 38 highway outside of Mentone, California, and it'll end at Angeles Oaks. This trail is rated as an easy trail and can probably be done in two-wheel drive in dry conditions, but since this is after a snowstorm, 4x4 is definitely going to be necessary. There is also some cliffside, so keep that in mind in case you are afraid of heights. This trail is 11 miles long and has a little over 3,000 feet of elevation gain. Also, going alone is never a good idea. Now that is said and done, go ahead and enjoy this video of the trail.